Aha!
Welcome to Gen AI Briefs. Here is today's generative AI news for April 15th, 2024. The healthcare industry is being swept up in the generative AI wave, with major tech giants like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft partnering with medical organizations to develop AI tools for everything from patient intake to data analysis. We're talking AI assistants that can have natural conversations with patients, sift through reams of medical data, and help triage communication. It's not just the tech titans either. A crop of generative AI healthcare startups has emerged, raking in millions in VC funding. But is the healthcare field really ready to embrace generative AI? Public opinion seems pretty divided on that. Recent surveys show only about half of U.S. consumers believe these AI systems can actually improve healthcare outcomes. Even fewer think generative AI will make healthcare more affordable and accessible. The experts seem just as split. While some think generative AI can handle basic tasks like documentation, others warn the tech has serious shortcomings when it comes to complex medical issues, diagnoses, and treatment plans. There are also major ethical concerns around deploying generative AI in such a critical field. What if these systems perpetuate biases and discrimination against underserved patient populations? What if errors slip through, causing harm? That's why groups like the World Health Organization are calling for rigorous safeguards, independent audits, governance frameworks, and full transparency around how these AI models work and what data was used to train them. Rushing generative AI into healthcare too quickly could have dire consequences, so getting it right is absolutely vital before any widespread implementation. The future of road maintenance is going autonomous and high-tech. A UK firm called Robotize has unveiled their innovative ARRES system. That's Autonomous Road Repair System. It's a multi-component solution to detecting and fixing all kinds of road damage, from minor cracks to huge potholes, using cutting-edge robotics and AI. The backbone is the ARRES eye, special scanning equipment installed on regular vehicles that can automatically detect and log road defects into a central database. When small cracks get spotted, the ARRES Prevent robot deploys, an autonomous vehicle packing futuristic sealant materials to nip those baby potholes in the bud. For bigger jobs, they're working on ARRES Ultra, a heavy-duty machine with capabilities like site prep, precision filling, and surface compaction. It's road repair taken to a whole new level of efficiency and automation. Developed through a collaboration with university researchers and highway engineers, ARRES has already hit the streets in the UK for an inaugural live trial run. If it lives up to the hype, this autonomous repair system could be hitting roads across the globe before we know it. Spotify is going all in on AI to level up music discovery for its massive 600 million subscriber base. Their latest trick, the AI DJ, a smart voice assistant that combines personalization algorithms and generative AI to guide listeners beyond their typical comfort zones and into exciting new sonic landscapes. It builds on Spotify's existing recommendation engines, like Discover Weekly and those made-for-you playlists, tools that have already helped drive a huge spike in new artist discoveries on the platform, from 10 billion per month in 2018 to a whopping 22 billion last year. But nailing that perfect balance between familiar faves and fresh novel finds is still a major challenge. That's where the human experts come in, music nerds, working alongside the AI to make sure it understands the nuances of genre, mood, instrumentation, and more. Some critics argue human curation will always beat the algorithms when it comes to surfacing true music gems. But with 100 million tracks in Spotify's catalog, a little AI assistance definitely can't hurt as we all try to navigate that tidal wave of new tunes. That's it for today's generative AI news. From today's sources TechCrunch, Fox News, and CNBC. Thank you for listening. For more information, the links to these stories are in the podcast description. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.